YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And in today's video, you already see where we at. Oh, great! Right when I start the video, the fucking gas light pop up. We love that. We love that. All right, so there's the agenda right there. We gotta go to the gas station as always, because remember, we drive cars that take up mad fucking gas. Fuck it though, it's a lifestyle. It's all part of the game, family. It's all part of the game. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to go get some gas. I got a few things to handle. Oh, Merry Christmas Eve. Today is Christmas Eve, fellas. So I hope everybody's being safe, having a good holidays. You know the vibes. Driving safe. Don't condone none of that speeding stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah, I hope everybody having a happy holidays. A happy, merry holidays. Fuck it, we got no gas. Let's just throw it in M2 for the fuck of it. But yeah, man, we here. Oh my God, this lane hurts. This lane hurts. Yo, and if y'all don't know, I just dropped the video yesterday, so make sure y'all go, you know, do what y'all do, like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good shit. So yeah, keep supporting the channel. I appreciate all the support. Damn, this nigga just threw the whole minivan in front of me, boy. He ain't give no fucks. Type R. You don't work on the blue Type R FL5. That shit is fire. I've been seeing those a lot lately though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. BMW M2 downpipe 2. It is a beautiful day here in New York, man. Beautiful day. This is a nice New Year's Eve, you know what I mean? It's not even that cold outside, like no traffic, like it's a beautiful day out here, yo. Just gotta thank God, man. Thank God. For real. It's a beautiful day. Sheesh. Six-speed manual M2. Do your homework. Do your fucking homework, man. Woo! I spoke a little too soon. We did run into a little, feel me? Little bit of traffic. No worries, no worries. I think it's gonna clear up at the top, but yo, and I think I finally decided what I'm gonna do next. I think I'm gonna go, cause one of my boys has an M2. Shout out my boy James, Black M2. Do your homework. And he said, yo, resonated mid-pipe. I was like, really, why? He said, yo, gets rid of the rasp, you know, won't sound too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Plus it won't be like retarded, like loud, like obnoxiously loud. And then I heard his, cause he has one on his car. And I was like, yo, that shit actually do sound really good. So I think I might end up going with that. So I think that's the next WAP to bust, you know what I mean? The next WAP. Fuck, I'm thirsty, boy. I ain't bring no water with me, boy. Super baited, super baited. I heard that little turbo in there. Okay, I hear you, my boy. See you, my guy. Boy, big ass truck hawking me, boy. Watch he go. Damn, that boy was playing no roles. He's playing no roles. School zone, 20 miles per hour. Make sure y'all out here following the rules, man. Fuck. Yeah. Do your homework on one of my brothers used to live out here. Do your homework on my nigga Jalen. Shout out Jalen, man. Yeah, you used to live out here. Do your homework on the bad G35. What the fuck is in the road? Yeah, but do your homework on the bad G35. That shit will forever go down in history, boy. Do your homework. Alright, man, let's bust this woo up. Let's do it.
I did what I was supposed to. rainy days, I'm hoping these drugs take the pain away. Losing the bros, I don't feel the same. They ask if I'm good, no, I'm not okay, but we all hurting. Yeah, I know that, doing attention, I just want the bros. Like, suck my dick, tell them niggas hold that. Give my everything, I gave a whole lot. But that's no more, can't give my energy to any hole. Rest of the times, we was playing ball, we was playing four. Now we all like, whoa, get off my ass, no time for no horsing. No sunny days, they ain't been pouring. Grew apart from some of the bros, them used to have fun, but now shit boring. Like, now I'm getting money, I don't need distractions. Like, girl, I don't know if we lasting. I'm in that time in the game with the rapping. Trying to get rich, I'll hit you when it happens. I don't need nobody in the way, cause I'm busy running up these back ends. You had a long day, know you exhausted. Come home, then I break your back end. Like, kill it like assassins. For you, you know I let it spark. 4-4 bulldog on me a buck, cause you know I won't play with your heart. Tell me what's up, don't leave me in the dark. You know that I'm there whenever times get hard. Mentally scarred, so I'm staying on guard. Like, gotta watch them sticks in the yard. You gotta watch you calling your homie. Niggas face, so I move my dolly. Like, get shot just for being nosy. Need a milli, can't be saying cozy. Spinning they block, ring around the rosy. Are you saying my name, you don't know me. Claim you locked in, but you don't post me. That's the definition of a phony. Give me all your love, I don't want a little. Like, I don't ask for much, I'm simple. Fuck love, I'd rather be single. Like, and I pay attention, every symbol. Bro throw 3, I throw triple. In the streets, gotta walk with your pistol. I speak louder than words. If you want my trust, then you gotta show you official. Tired of them rainy days, I'm hoping these drugs take the pain away.